Agile isn't just a buzzword, it's a mindset. While the Agile Manifesto gives us 4 values, there are 12 guiding principles that bring those values to life. Today, I'll break them down with real-life examples. Let's get into it. The first principle, customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. Take, for example, a food app that launches quickly and improves over time. Customers get meals fast rather than waiting for an app with perfect features. The second principle, welcome changing requirements even late in development. A clothing brand launching a new collection, midway they notice a trending color and adjust their designs instead of sticking to the original plan. Agile teams embrace change rather than resist it. The third principle, deliver working software frequently. Social media apps like Instagram and TikTok, instead of waiting a year, they release small updates every few weeks. Frequent updates keep users engaged rather than one big release after a long wait. The fourth principle, collaboration between business and developers. A bakery using a software to track orders, for example, the bakers and software developers work together to make improvements. The best products come from teamwork, not isolated decisions. The fifth principle, build projects around motivated individuals. A game development studio empowering its designers, for example, instead of dictating every step, the company gives the design team creative freedom to experiment with new features and mechanics. The sixth principle, face-to-face conversation is best. In a wedding planning team, quick decisions solve problems faster than endless email threads. Real-time conversations reduce confusion and speed up decision making. The seventh principle, working software is the primary measure of progress. A fitness app startup measuring progress through its user feedback, for example, instead of focusing on extensive reports and documentation, the team tracks success by releasing small functional updates. The real success isn't in lengthy reports, it's in how well the app helps users stay active. The eighth principle, sustainable development pace. A marketing agency avoiding a burnout. They focus on consistent work instead of last-minute crunch time. Overworked teams burn out. Agile ensures a steady pace of delivery. The ninth principle, continuous attention to technical excellence. Quality beats speed in the long run. A car manufacturer improving safety features, instead of rushing releases, they refine each model. The 10th principle, simplicity, the art of maximizing work not done. The simpler, the better. An e-commerce checkout process, for example, removes unnecessary steps that leads to higher conversions. The 11th principle, self-organizing teams produce the best results. A remote software development team designing a new commerce platform, instead of waiting for a manager to dictate every step, the team collaborates independently, trusting each other and working as a team, which builds better, more scalable software. And the 12th principle, regularly reflect and adjust. A startup adjusting its marketing strategy every quarter, they learn, adapt, and grow. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, so agile teams always improve. Agile isn't just about speed, it's about delivering value.
If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more.